Hey folks, Pete Randall with Realty One Group Inclusion here in Savannah, Georgia. Welcome to Realities in Real Estate. Oftentimes as a realtor, I'm asked questions that are better answered by professionals in different areas. Questions to lenders, to lawyers, to inspectors, etc. People that are involved in the home buying process. So what I would like to do with this series of videos is give you, the buyer, the opportunity to have your questions answered now by those professionals in those areas. Today, we're talking to the lenders.
The importance of your credit score is a big thing, and that's why it's important to apply early, get your credit pulled, know where you stand credit-wise, because it's going to make a big difference on what programs you qualify for, how much you're going to need for down payment, what your interest rate's going to be, what your mortgage insurance is going to be. So all of that's going to be tied into your credit score.
The driving force behind the credit score is going to be your interest rate. If you've got a credit score that's kind of towards the bottom, you're certainly going to qualify for a loan at 620, 630, 640, but your interest rate's not going to be as good as if you had a 785 or maybe an 800 credit score. Another thing that can factor into that is reserve requirements. If you've got, someone who has a credit score around 620, 640, and they're just barely getting by, we'll probably be able to do that loan, but oftentimes the underwriters and the investors will want additional reserves. And what I mean by reserves is liquidity in your account to cover a number of months of payments. So if you typically have those higher credit scores, oftentimes those reserve requirements are not required and your interest rate's going to be a whole lot better.
A lender is always trying to determine a borrower's willingness and ability to repay. And in the modern world, the credit score is a good indication of that. So before a buyer goes out to purchase a home, one of the things that we like to focus on is making sure that the credit score is as high as it can be. Sometimes we'll spend a couple days or a couple months working on that, but the score gives access to certain programs. It has an impact on pricing, and even homeowners insurance premiums are impacted by the credit score.